Good morning, Troy. Hey, can you hear a train? It's Tina and Tony. It looks like there's been a power cut. They can't go over the crossroads at the same time. Tina says Tony should reverse, but Tony thinks Tina should. Let's see if Teddy can help Troy fix these lights to help Tina and Tony stop arguing. Hi, Teddy. Can you help us? There's been a power cut at the rail tracks, and the lights are out. Troy needs to become a train that can fix the lights. What will Troy be today? That's awesome, Troy. Teddy has turned you into an energy train. Thanks, Teddy. Let's go and get those lights working. What has Teddy given Troy? A solar panel to catch the sun, and a generator to make electricity. Now you both need to reverse. What if I say the first train to get back behind their traffic light gets to go first? Well done, Tina. You can go first. Now you, Tony. The lights have stopped again. The sun isn't bright enough to make electricity. Oh no! The wind has blown a tree onto the track. And it looks like someone is coming. It's Taylor the train. If she doesn't stop, she's going to crash into the tree. Has Teddy given you something else to make electricity? A wind turbine to make electricity from the wind. Well done, Troy. You saved Taylor from having an accident. See you next time.